The Xpulse is a joy to ride. It soaks bumps, speed breakers, potholes, and like they don't even exist. With risky parking facilities all across South Kolkata, uh, I was getting nervous while parking my GT 650 whenever I used to go to South Kolkata, like in some places. This led to my purchasing decision of a daily commuter motorcycle. That was the Honda Shine 125cc. Well, this bike actually served me and MotoZish as a commuter motorcycle going to places for our t-shirt business. So the sole purpose of getting this motorcycle was to park it anywhere and just forget it, because those things we cannot do on a GT650 for sure. And moreover, the mileage was damn good. It was giving me around 70 kilometers per liter. So thereby we were saving a lot of money on these longer, city commutes. But over the months, we progressed our t-shirt brand. We were working on it. We were working on building it, and the commuting kind of reduced. We got hold of a very good supplier, and in that way, my Shine was left parked at the garage, just like my GT. So one fine morning, I get a call from MotoZish, and he tells me that
हेलो पापा
हाँ बेटा।
उस साइकिल की
there's a very good, I think it was a media bike, that was up for sale, and at a very, very impressive price. That was the Xpulse 200 4V, and it was a 2024 edition. So the bike was super mint. It was just 1,000 kilometer run. And that's when I decided to, trade the Honda Shine with a Xpulse 400. It was obviously a very good upgrade. And moreover, I was drawn towards the Xpulse from a very long time. And I thought that this was a very good opportunity for me, to get the Xpulse 200. And I think this was probably the best decision I ever made. Moreover, cheaper parts and a 5-year warranty was everything an Indian commuter needs, because our roads are actually off roads in some places. Even there's a good tarmac roads, but I personally believe the Xpulse is probably the best motorcycle you can get below 200, 250cc, around 250cc, or even sub 300cc for our road conditions. So let's talk about the good things about this motorcycle. The Xpulse is a joy to ride. It soaks bumps, speed breakers, potholes, and like they don't even exist. It is nimble and agile, and most importantly, the parts are very, very inexpensive. So, if you have an Xpulse, it already comes with a good 5-year warranty. But even if you break small parts here and there, it will never break your pocket. Straight after getting the Xpulse, we did a long trip to Kalimpong, from Kolkata to Kalimpong, and our first leg would be a halt at Siliguri. So we were cruising around 90, 95. It did it very well, very nicely. We did face a small incident we will talk about in the cons of the motorcycle. So you can literally cruise on in the Xpulse 200 4V at around 85, 90 all day. So the next leg of the trip was from Siliguri to Kalimpong. And that's when this motorcycle comes alive. The off roads, the mountain roads, and that is where I fell in love with the Xpulse. So let's talk about the cons of this motorcycle. This motorcycle is not a high-speed tourer. So if you're used to touring or cruising in the highways at around 110, 120, 130, then this is not a motorcycle for you. You cannot expect this much of cruising speed from this motorcycle. 90, 85, 90, or even sometimes 100 is a good cruising speed. So let's talk about the second con. So on our leg to Siliguri, uh, one of our friend, he met up with a puncture. So the rear tire had a very big nail inside it, and in spite of telling him to carry a set of tubes, uh, he failed to do that, and he got only a spare tube for the front tire. So we were lucky enough to get a Royal Enfield Classic rear tube, uh, and that fits in the same wheels of the Xpulse, rear wheels of the Xpulse. and we managed to get that puncture fixed from a local shop. So if you get an Xpulse, you should learn how to change your tubes, how to open tires, how to replace the tubes, and that is a little bit of a drawback for new people. But once you're getting used to it, once you learn how to open, how to replace it, and I don't think you will have an issue. And most importantly, carry an air inflator, carry a tire inflator. So that's all for today. If you have any questions about this motorcycle, you can feel free to ask me. And if you want more such content, please let me know. Bye bye. Take care.